Hey, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 5 things you got to do for 2019 to completely suck, right? So first of all, you need to turn on the TV, right? Turn on TV, watch at least 8 hours of TV a day. Particularly watch a lot of news, because in the news, you get nothing but positive, good news. You get nothing but garbage into your head. And as a result, and we have
Trash.
a visitor here. Trash, exactly. Nothing but trash put into your head, all the negative things in the world, and that's really gonna help you make 2019 suck. Number 2, you need to work the absolute minimum to keep your job so that you never get a promotion, that you never move ahead, and that really you just actually potentially even get fired. So that's another way to make 2019 suck. Contrary to, of course, working smartly, adding value to those around you. I mean, that would just make you a success, but who wants that, right? Number 3, you need to be making sure that at every meal you eat twice as much as you should, so that you gain 100 pounds this year and really become really lethargic and like slow and diabetic and things like that, and as a result the year definitely will suck, right? So then what is that?
Go out with friends.
Then yes. Another thing is, like, make sure that you really celebrate Hump Day by going out for happy hour, and that you celebrate TGIF, thank God it's Friday, and party like there's no tomorrow, so that in effect you're basically hungover all weekend long, puking around the house, and having headaches, and not get to do anything that brings you forward in life, and so on. And lastly, make sure you sit on the couch and don't ever read a book or do anything and make sure you stare into your cell phone, particularly into Facebook, all day long, and just like comment on people's comments, live precariously through their lives, and have no life for yourself to show. All right, those are the tips that will definitely make 2019 suck. Now, if you want 2019 to be successful, I can't help you, unless you really do the opposite, but that's the subject of another video. All right, Happy New Year 2019. Bye-bye.